I think AI will change the manufacturing industry dramatically in the next 3 to 5 years, even sooner, because there's many processes where it can advance our efficiencies dramatically.
We are a startup called Refactor, and as a startup you need speed, and speed is only achievable with AI. So we are using AI in our daily work. We identified our markets with Gieni AI. We just bought a data set of several customers and checked which one could be our early customer for our startup. And I think with AI we were able to niche really down to find the best fit for us.
I think in terms of hidden opportunities that are related to AI, there's a ton of topics that I could mention. Basically, your imagination is the limit here.
People are committed to making a change. People are prioritizing engaging with AI and putting AI into their workflows.
Of course, if we could spot market potential sooner than our competitors, the advantage is that you're in touch with those customers earlier and therefore increase your chance of being successful in this project. We had a really good exchange with many other experts and AI enthusiasts from the manufacturing industry that also sparked some ideas for myself. So there's certainly things we got to talk about when I'm back in the office.
New technology, you have to use it. So take 2 days off and just try.
It's an amazing time from an industry perspective.